Ever wondered how you can naturally keep pests away from your garden? Enter companion planting, a method that not only curbs pests, but also lessens the reliance on chemical pesticides, fostering a more biodiverse environment. Now let's explore 5 plants that are excellent for this purpose. First on our list are marigolds, a gardener's best friend. These vibrant beauties pack a punch with a strong scent that deters pesky nematodes and aphids. Plus, they're a breeze to grow. So consider adding some marigolds to your garden for their pest control benefits. Next up is basil, more than just a kitchen herb. This aromatic plant is a natural repellent for thrips, flies, and mosquitoes. Plant it near your tomatoes and you'll notice an enhanced flavor. Basil, therefore, serves multiple roles in your garden. Garlic, a plant that's as good for your garden as it is for your health. This potent bulb wards off pesky aphids and Japanese beetles and boosts the health of roses and raspberries. So don't forget to include some garlic in your garden. Nasturtiums, a beautiful addition to any garden. These vibrant flowers are more than just pretty, they're practical too. They lure pests like aphids and caterpillars away from other plants. And their edible blossoms? They'll brighten up your salads. Nasturtiums, therefore, are a great choice for your garden. Last but not least, we have chives. These versatile plants are a powerhouse in deterring pests like Japanese beetles and carrot rust flies. Not only that, they enhance the growth and flavor of carrots and tomatoes. So consider growing some chives in your garden for their numerous benefits. In conclusion, companion planting is a great way to naturally control pests in your garden. Marigolds, with their pungent scent, deter harmful pests. Basil enhances the flavor of nearby plants while repelling mosquitoes and flies. Garlic wards off aphids, preserving your precious plants. Nasturtiums act as a trap crop for aphids and other pests. And chives, besides adding a delightful flavor to your dishes, repel many types of pests. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden. So, give these plants a try and see the difference they can make. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.